Hi, I'm Lance with the EPB Energy Pros. Want to keep your home toasty this winter without heating up your energy bills? Set your thermostat to 72 degrees and see how comfortable it feels. Then if you can set it a little lower without sacrificing your family's comfort, research shows you'll save 2 to 3% on your energy bill for every degree you can move it below 72. Don't go below 68 or you'll lose the indoor air humidity that can prevent dry skin and nasal passages. And try to avoid bumping your thermostat up and down throughout the day. This can make your heating system work harder and run less efficiently. Of course, installing a smart thermostat can help you maintain comfortable energy-saving settings. For more helpful tips, visit epb.com/energypros or give us a call for tips specific to your home. We can also come out to your home and do a free home energy checkup and show you even more ways to save. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.